Yup, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So that's a wrap on Clutch Kickers. We got Indiana coming up in a week, but in that meantime, we are gonna head over to my buddy Rick's, the Danger Zone as I like to call it, or we like to call it, over in Bethel, Ohio. So I'm really appreciative. A good friend of mine, Rick, he's taught me a lot about body work. If you ever see me starting these upcoming videos doing body work and paint and all that stuff, dent repair, anything that along those lines, he taught me a good amount about. So big shout out to him for letting us come out and have some fun. I think we're gonna buy some beater cars, some $500, and just jump in and have some fun. I think we're gonna do like a mini getaway scene / tandem runs with the Brinks armored truck. So that'll be sketchy. And if you are watching this, don't follow us in what we do, because you should probably be wearing safety equipment. Always wear your helmets, even when you're having dumb fun. Stay tuned.
It's our poop. It's still our poop here. That makes so much sense. Why it's fucking.
Everyone, you should really respect your local sewage systems, and the fact that when you flush it, you never have to see your poop again. Because when you got one of these, when you flush it, you still gonna have to see your poop again. Jenny!
You did what?
I fixed Jenny. She needed me to primer up a little bit. She ran out of fuel. Should I rock it?
Huh?
Should I rock it?
Please rock it.
I'm going to rock it.
Yeah, okay.
That's poopy.
Not ready to back up the train on a leash. That's what we'll call it. But Matt's on.
Cup.
Fucking A. You have another cup?
Double espresso. Rotate it. Let's start.
But what's with all the whip and froth?
I'm gonna show you. What's next?
But wait, there's.
See the little max line? Milk just under it. So you can cover the max. Pretty simple. Even you can figure it out.
I can with directions.
YouTube.
Nah, just put it in, push the button.
YouTube.
So that's all the coffee that's in there?
Yeah, just espresso. Double shot of espresso.
Oh.
I need to be in the espresso business. So you don't have to give the people much.
How long does it take to froth?
Until it's warm.
Oh, quite literally.
Sorry. Final product.
So good.
Alright. You can whip up the next one, Mike. Show me what you learned.
Till the next round.
I made it for you.
Did you want one?
I did it for you.
Do you want it? Okay.
Oh, there go my girls. Those right there, that's mine.
Hello.
The little fucking series is mine. Damn, I got these. I should bring that back. That thing's rare. E34.
Right now, Tredo's going to fucking chase.
No, I know, but he is legit stuff.
Come on, Tredo.
Open Mike.
This chicken that knows some dumb shit.
Tredo, come on.
Honey, he's fine.
How did you get up there, dude? Chicken trap. What'd you do, man? You were fucking around and someone forgot about you, huh? Hey, Toretto, you're scaring him. He's gonna hurt himself.
damn Tredo.
Here, yeah. Radio don't work. Brakes really barely work. They call them air brakes. You hear the air before it breaks. We're gonna give a white rabbit a try.
Oh, this one got an oh shit handle, hell yeah.
Got some good revs.
Hey man!
Hey man! Hey, fuck you, man!
You slow motherfucker.
You ready to try to chase the rabbit? Oh, you brake don't work.
Oh shit! This nigga got no brakes!
Oh, we're on the outside.
Oh shit, no brakes!
Oh man, this thing is scary as shit. Oh fuck. What is that? sounds sketchy as fuck.
Like no brake entry technique where they can grab it.
Yeah. Oh, there's no e-brake. Yeah. It's all scary brake. Like, ah! Like I screamed. I thought I was going straight over the edge probably 3-4 times. Hey man! What? What the hell? Hello? I'm not slow, motherfucker. You slow. Oh, see, that's.
You were the passenger seat.
How does it still work? Like this was all of me.